Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Azure Security Basics with MFA and Conditional Access step by step clearly. Begin by signing into the Microsoft Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Use your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Azure Active Directory option in the left-hand navigation pane. Click on Azure Active Directory to open its settings. In the Azure Active Directory menu, find and select Security. Next, click on Conditional Access under the Security menu. Now, choose the plus New Policy button to create a new conditional access policy. Give your policy a meaningful name in the name field. Under Assignments, select Users and Groups to choose who this policy will apply to. You can select specific users, groups, or all users based on your organization's needs. After selecting the appropriate users, click on Cloud Apps or Actions to specify the applications for the policy. Choose Select Apps and pick the apps you want to protect with this policy. Now, navigate to Conditions to set up the conditions under which this policy will apply. You can set conditions such as sign-in risk level, location, or device platform, depending on your security requirements. Now click on Access Controls to define the actions that will be taken when the conditions are met. Select Grant and choose Require Multi-Factor Authentication. Then, review your settings to ensure everything is configured as intended. When you are satisfied with the policy setup, click the Create button to save your conditional access policy. Next, to enable multi-factor authentication, return to the Azure Active Directory menu. Click on Users within Azure Active Directory. Select the users you want to enable MFA for. Once selected, look for the Multi-Factor Authentication option in the top menu. Click on Multi-Factor Authentication to open its management interface. In the new window, select the users again and then choose Enable to activate MFA for them. Confirm the action in the prompt that appears. Now, communicate the changes to the users affected by the new MFA and conditional access policies. Advise them to set up their MFA methods by logging in and following the prompts provided by Azure. Finally, monitor the conditional access policies and MFA status through the Azure portal to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.